ningixelele uthini uSibiya? Sibiya!
Is there anything that appears from the Molefe report on what is contained in the docket or referred to in any of the dockets?
Listen properly.
Firstly, I haven't seen a Molefe report. I haven't seen any report. I haven't seen any docket. I've never been involved in any docket.
Sibiya! Uthini Mbondini?
In the 121 dockets that I have, there's no Katiso Molefe, there's no Mr. Matala there.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
Where are the 21 dockets, 121 dockets?
They are I take it that they will be with the political killing trust team project manager.
Why were they taken?
They were taken, brought by them to be taken to where they needed to be taken to.
What are you saying? What is he saying?
So the dockets were kept in your office, not physically where you work, but in your office. So they were under your office.
Yes, sir, Chair.
Hayi zoshala out.
Bonke abangamfollow uLazaru bawubhubha.